Welcome students to our maths class. In this video, we will learn about bar graphs. This is another form of representation of data, just like tally and pictographs. These graphs used bars. A bar graph uses bars to show the picture of the data collected. So, how to read this bar graph? We can see this bar graph has different colors written on the x-axis. So this is showing us the data about favorite colors of students. And how many children like blue color? We can check that by drawing a line of the length of the blue axis. It is matching the 10. So it is 10 students like blue color. So x-axis tell us the item about which the bar graph is being shown, and y-axis tells us about the number of items displayed by the bar graph. So these are the basic components of a bar graph. The title, which gives a short explanation to the graph, data that is represented by the rectangular bars, x-axis the sleeping line on which the data is represented, and y-axis which indicates the value of the data. Now let us see one example. By looking at it, we can see the y-axis is showing the number of quantity of fruits in kg, and x-axis is showing us the different types of fruits. So this bar graph is showing us the different quantities of different fruits. And how do we read it? Let us see. We will see the name written below the bar. Red bar shows us apples. And how many apples? We'll draw an arrow to check the line on the y-axis. It is matching 35 kgs. So apples are 35 kgs. Let us see what is this. This bar shows us oranges. How many? We'll again draw a line to touch the y-axis, and it is showing us 30 kgs, and oranges we already know. Next one is bananas. You can see the name here. How many bananas? For this again we will draw a line to check the length or the number on the y-axis. It is showing us 10 kg. So 10 kg bananas are shown on this bar graph. Let us see, this green bar shows us kiwis. And how many? For that, again we will draw a line to check the number on the y-axis. It is showing us 25 kgs of kiwi. Next fruit is blueberry. And how much of blueberry? So again we will draw a straight line to check the number on the y-axis, and it is 40 kgs of blueberry. Last one is grapes. So how much grapes? Let us again draw a straight line to check the number on the y-axis. It is coming out to be 5 kg grapes. I hope you have understood how to read the basic data given on the bar graph. Now let us see an example in which some question based on the bar graph is given. Now by looking at this, we can see that favorite color of students is represented on this bar graph, and on the x-axis we can see the names of the colors, and y-axis is showing us number of students which like these colors. So let us read the first question. How many students like red color? So we'll check the red bar, and the length on the y-axis, it is 10. So 10 students like red color. Next question, which is the most favorite color? So the longest bar is the blue bar. So the most favorite color is blue. Next question, how many students like blue more than green? So for this, first we'll find out how much is blue and how many children like green. So for blue, let us draw the line on the y-axis, and it comes out to be 20. For green, again we'll draw a line to check the number on the y-axis. It is 15. So 20 minus 15, answer is 5 children like blue color more than the green color. Next, which is the least favorite? So least favorite means smallest bar is by yellow. So the least favorite color is yellow. Which color is liked by 15 students? So 15 students, let us see. 15 students is showing the green color. So number of students who like 15 is by the green color. So it is, answer is green. Let us see one more example which shows some different data with the same colors, but what is it showing? Let us see. It is showing us the pencil, scale, pen, sharpener, eraser. So these are the school supplies, and how many school supplies are used are shown on the y-axis. So let us read the question and try to answer. What does it tell us about? This bar graph is telling us about the school supplies used. How many students use pen? So let us find out where is pen. Here is the pen. And how many? So for that, again we'll draw a line to check the number on the y-axis. It is 2. So pens liked by students is 2. Question 3. How many pencils are used? So let us see. Pencil is shown by this green bar, and the length of the bar we can check by the dotted line. On the y-axis it is showing 8 pencils. Question 4. Which item is used least? Least means minimum. So the smallest bar is of pen. So the item used least is, answer is pen. Question 5. How many erasers are used? So let us see, where is eraser? Here. The length of the purple bar is touching number 4 on the y-axis. So number of erasers used is 4. Question 6. How many sharpeners are used? So again we'll see, where is sharpener? This pink bar is showing sharpener, and the line, dotted line, is touching number 5 on the y-axis. So number of sharpeners used is 5. And how many total items are shown in the bar graph? So for that we have to total the length of all these bars. So 8 plus 3 plus 2, you can check here, plus 5 plus 4. So the answer here is 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4, 22 total stationery items are shown in this bar graph. I hope now you have understood how to read a bar graph and also how to answer the questions that are based on the bar graph. I would like to show you an example of a bar graph which is horizontally drawn. Here the names of the colors is written on the straight line y-axis, and the number of students is written on the x-axis. And exactly same data we have already seen in the previous slide, where I have shown you that how many students like which color. This was vertical bar graph, and the same data can be shown through an horizontal bar graph. So let us see how many students like red color. We'll again touch the red bar top with the x-axis, and the number is 10. How many students like yellow color? We'll again draw a line on the x-axis, and the number of yellow is 5 students like yellow color. Then how many students like blue color? The length of the bar of blue color is touching 20 on the x-axis. So number of students who like blue is 20. And similarly for green, we will check the number on the x-axis, and it is 15 students. So I hope you have understood how to read vertical as well as horizontal bar graphs, and also answer the questions that are based on these graphs. So do watch the video again if you want to revise, and the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So keep practicing, and thank you for watching.